brought to you by Midnight Ed. In this episode, we will learn about using green screens in iMovie.
Alright, hello and welcome to this short video on how to use a green screen inside of iMovie. What I'm going to do is I have my video clips and pictures up here in the library already, and I'm going to drag and drop those into the, I guess the storyline is what you'd call it. If you don't remember how to do that, just go up here to this down arrow and that will allow you to import video from either your camera or the folder on your computer, and that way you can have it accessible right in here. I'm going to drag and drop a few images. One, I have a little intro file. This is the global warming version and the regular version, so whichever one you feel like. I'm going to scroll up here to get a picture that I have. And then I'm going to drag and drop my country pictures because the video, that wasn't what I meant to do. Cancel. The video I'm going to use is my son saying the different names of the countries. Alright, there we go. And then I'm going to, of course, get this clip. This is the green screen clip. Something to remember, and I forget this often. You put the pictures you want down first, then you put down the green screen. As you notice, it's not very green screeny because you still see it. Make sure this is highlighted and then go up here to this little bit here. See how it has the video overlay settings? It's on that already, but sometimes it'll be on something else. So I'm going to click down the down arrow, choose green blue screen, and then voila. Here we go. It is nicely set up. Now this video is just real short, but what I wanted to do was have my son say the names of countries, and when he jumps, it would change the screen. And so I'm going to bring that over here, and then he's going to jump again. And so I'm going to shorten this one, and then he's going to jump again, and then there we go. So if this all works as planned, I'll be able to play my short little video. I think that 3 seconds or thereabouts. So here's my world map, and here's my son.
B is for, C is for, D is for.
And there you have it. That's how you use a green screen inside of iMovie. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, call me, text me. I'll be glad to help you out. Even if you need me to come to your classrooms and explain how this all works. That's about it. Thanks. Have a good one.